How to create a thriving Discord server. Discord is a haven for gamers, offering a platform to connect, chat, and strategize. Here's a guide of creating your own Discord server specifically for the gaming community. Setting the stage by building your server, so head to Discord and create a free account. Choose a name that reflects your server's theme or the games it caters to. Keep it catchy and memorable. Then design or upload an icon that visually represents your server. Structuring your server so channels are key. There are voice channels, which are live chat rooms where gamers can talk in real time using their microphones. Create dedicated channels for specific games, general discussions, or casual hangouts. And there are text channels for written communication, so create channels for specific games, strategy discussions, finding teammates, server announcements, memes, or even off-topic chats. You gotta maintain order by giving roles and permissions to different members of the server. Then, setting the tone by the welcome wagon, the welcome channel, and consider a bot because welcome bots can automatically greet new members, assign roles, and answer basic questions. Engagement is king. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy your Discord server and enjoy gaming on it. Don't forget to subscribe.